What's going on, healthy gamers? Today we're making brown sugar glazed mahi mahi. I make cooking and nutrition videos every week, so be sure to hit subscribe so that you are updated whenever new videos come out. So first you want to start cooking your side dish because the fish only takes about 4 minutes to cook total. So this is sweet potatoes and himica, and himica is a Mexican potato. I'm not even saying that correctly, but it tastes a lot like a potato with 2/3 less carbohydrates. And those are cooking with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and you want to cook those for about 5 minutes. I'm also adding in a regular potato just to add some extra carbohydrates in there. This is totally up to you depending on what your macros are. The mahi mahi has been sitting in a glaze. It has about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, some chopped up garlic, and then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you just want to let that fish sit in there for half an hour to an hour, and then take it out and heat it up on the frying pan and cook it for only about 2 minutes on each side, and that's done. You don't want to cook it with the sauce because that brown sugar will reduce very quickly and start to burn. After the fish is cooked for just 2 minutes on each side on medium heat, you want to remove it from the heat and then add in your glaze and just let that glaze kind of simmer for just a little bit, so not even a minute. Just bring it to a simmer, and then pretty much just take it off the heat. You can see the brown sugar kind of settles at the bottom of the pan a little bit, so you want to remove all of that and make sure it gets nice and cooked there in the pan. After that simmered for about 1 minute, just take some of that sauce and pour it over the mahi mahi. Save the rest of it for your potatoes. So your potatoes should have been frying this entire time. Just pour all of that sauce onto the potatoes, and then you could probably add a little more salt for flavor, but just mix it up, and then your potatoes are ready to eat now too, so just remove those from the heat. This meal comes out to 1,183 calories, 92 grams of carbohydrates, 71 grams of fat, and 51 grams of protein. If you find these cooking videos useful, I want to please ask you to hit like and make a quick comment. That really helps me out in the YouTube ranking, so if you could please do that for me, that is the best way to support these videos. And also, if you want to share on your Facebook and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Let me know how this turns out for you if you try it, and then have a wonderful day.